Well, hi guys and welcome. This is Stuart Zadel from Zadel Property with another rapid renovation formula update with Naomi Finlay. I'm in the bathroom here now. A couple of great things have just happened. The toilet has been put back in. We've got to get a new top for that, which was damaged in the removal. Point for next time. But the big thing is the beautiful cabinet is in, and the floating vanity with the sink and the tap, the swish plug and waste is in, and just been letting Matt the plumber know what a great job he done. This looks absolutely beautiful now with the wall to floor tiles going on. It's really coming together. It's just looking amazing. One of the key things again is appreciation for people. I've just been up the street, just bought a roll for Matt and a croissant, and also telling him what a great job he's done here. And he has. He's gone above and beyond and done some fantastic stuff for us. So, you know, tradespeople are people, and their work is incredibly important to us as renovators, and especially great tradespeople. And that should be rewarded, I think, in multiple ways. Anyway, just wanted to give you an update today. There she is, looking absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to show you the finished product soon. Cheers for now.